Hello everyone, in today's session we will see how to create group of projects. So first we will see how to create a group in GitLab, and then we will see how to create new projects under this group, or how to assign already created projects to that group. So let's see that. There are two ways to create a group of projects. One is create a group, and within that group create new projects. Second is assign already created projects to the group that we have already discussed. Where to get this option? To create a new group, you need to go to your GitLab UI. Over there will be option of groups, your groups, and when you click on that your groups, a new screen will open. Over there on top right, there will be option of new group. On clicking of that option, you will be able to create a new group. To assign current project to the group, you need to go to a particular project, settings, general, advanced, transfer project. And in that box, you need to search for the group to which you want to assign the project. If in case you have created new group and assigned already created projects to that group, you need to run a particular command in the terminal from the root directory of the project. Now why do we need to run this command? Because when we have created projects at that time, their remote URL was different, and once we have assigned the project to the group, the remote URL has been changed. So you need to run this command git remote set URL origin in the terminal from the root directory of the project. Let's see it practically. So first of all, as I have mentioned, I will go to my GitLab UI. Over there, you can see that this option groups. Under groups, your groups, and the next screen that has been opened over here, I need to click on this new group to create a group. I already created a group called CICD, but just to provide an overview, I will create again a new group. So I am giving the name, you can provide any name. So I am giving the name temp. Now you can see that group name is temp, but the group URL is temp37. Why? Because that group name has already been taken, hence the URL must be different. So let's say if I am removing this 37 and trying to go ahead, so you can see that it has given me error that group path is already taken, suggestion temp 37. So as you can see that this group name and this group path has already been taken, and hence I cannot go with this group URL temp only. So I need to go with either as suggested by GitLab, or I can provide any other URL if I want. Okay, so at present I am going with the suggestion as provided by GitLab URL. One thing to note over here is, whenever in future if you are referring to this group, make sure to refer this group by this URL temp37 instead of this group name temp. Why? Because if you are referring the group by this name temp, the chances are it will fail. It will not recognize that to which group you are referring. Instead of this, if you are referring the group by its URL temp37, it will be easy for the GitLab to recognize. Okay, group description you can given any to be deleted, to be deleted group. Okay, visibility level you can choose any and just create group. Okay, so you can see that temp37 group path is there, the URL is there. Now let's say if you want to create different projects under this group, you can go to this new project. So new project, you need to click on this new project option. Over here, you can start with the available templates or blank project. This is how you can create group of projects. Now let's see, if I have already created number of projects and I want to assign those projects to newly created group, how can we do that? So for that, I will go to any particular project. Over here, I need to go to settings, general. Over here, I will need to go to advanced. Over here, this is the option transfer project. So at present, one thing to note is you can see the URL over here. So the URL is stating 9.1989. So at present, this project has been assigned to an individual user. So this project at present has been registered under an individual user. Now once we transfer this project to a group, this URL will change. Let's see that. Over here, I will select this group CI/CD and transfer project. You can see over here that you are going to transfer Nayan Gajjar/demo GitLab runner to another namespace. Are you absolutely sure? I will say yes. I will paste the name and confirm. So you can see that the URL has been changed. Earlier over here, it was 9.1989, but now it is CICD 21. So you can see that once you have transferred the project, the URL will be changed. The same thing I will do for my another project test. Again, I will go to settings, general, advanced, expand it. Over here, transfer the project. We'll select the group CI/CD, transfer the project. Are you sure? Yes. Paste, confirm. And again, you can see that the URL has been changed. So once you have transferred your project to a group, you need to run one command in your terminal from the root directory of your project. As I already mentioned that the URL has been changed. So hence GitLab's remote URL will also be changed. So first of all, let's see what is the current origin of this project. Get sorry Git remote dash v. So you can see that current remote origin for this project is 9.1989, and now I need to change it to CICD 21. So I will copy paste the command from over here. I will paste it and I will change your group name in the group URL. So how to find this group name in the group URL? So you can see that this is the group name in my group URL. So to confirm my okay, so this is my group CICD, and to find the group name in group URL, you can see that this is the my group name in my group URL. So this is the group name. I will copy and paste it over here, and my project name is demo underscore GitLab underscore CICD, sorry, demo GitLab runner, and enter. So now if you are going to see that the remote origin has been changed from 9.1989 to CICD 21. So this is why we need to change this remote origin, because in case if you are going to push the code, it might give you error, or it might prompt you that you need to change remote origin. Same thing I will do for my test project. Over here again I will check what is my remote origin. So as you can see that it's 9.1989 and I need to change it. So again I will run the same command, but this time instead of demo GitLab runner I will say paste, enter, and now again if I check remote origin, it has changed from 9.1989 to CICD 21. Now if you have a question like what if we are going to pull the code and will it change the origin? So no, if you are going to pull the code, in that case also it will not change the origin. So this is how you can create a new group. You can create number of projects under a new group, as well as you can assign already created projects to the group. That's it for the day. Thank you everyone for watching this video.